Okay, so in this question we have, which of the following is equivalent to 3x minus 4y equals to 6? So on this example, I'm going to be using Desmos to check which answer is correct. So the first thing that we do is we click on number 1, and the first step is to type y equals divide. And now that we have this, the second step is write down the number on the right side. In this case, it's a 6, so we're going to start off with a 6. Then the third step is get the opposite of the 3x. So we're going to write the 3x but the opposite sign. So we have a positive 3x, so it becomes a negative 3x. And one more step, you divide everything by the number in front of the y, including the sign. So here's the y, the number in front of it, it's a 4, but we need to include the sign as well. So we have a negative 4. So as you can see here, we have, if we look at the answer choices, none of them look like this one. So that's why we use Desmos to check which one matches. So I'm going to type in the first one, y equals negative 6 divided by 7, x. See how this line is not the same as this line, so it is not f. So I can get rid of that one. So I click on number 2 and I type in this next one right here. Y equals negative 3 divided by 4, x. See how it's not the same line, so it is not G. So let's try H. How do we do that? By clicking on number 2 and start typing this in. Y equals 4 divided by 3, x plus 2. As you can see, it is not the same line, so it is not H. And so let's go to J. Y equals 3 divided by 4, x minus 3 divided by 2. And as you can see, we only see one line. So what I like to tell my students is, if you click on the little circle right here where the color is at, if it looks like a blinking line, that is exactly the same line, so you found your answer, which in this case our answer, it is J, because it is exactly the same graph.